Locked out of your Chase account because of a forgotten password? Don't panic, because in this video, you'll learn exactly how to get back in. First, head to Chase.com on your computer or open the Chase mobile app on your phone. Both methods work. But for this example, we'll use the website. Look for the Forgot Username Password link. It's usually located right below the password field. Click on it. Chase will present you with a few options to verify your identity. Usually, you can choose to recover your username, reset your password, or both. Select Reset Password. Next, you'll need to provide some information to prove it's really you. You can use your social security number or tax ID number, enter the required information, and also confirm your date of birth, and click Next. Now, Chase might ask you some security questions you set up when you created your account. Answer them carefully. Alternatively, they might send you a one-time verification code via text or email. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. Great! Now you can create a new, strong password. Make sure it's something you can remember, but not too obvious. Enter it twice to confirm, and then submit it. That's it. Your password has been successfully reset. You can now log into your Chase account with your new password and continue banking. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to contact Chase customer support directly. You can find their contact information on the Chase website or app. They're always happy to help.